Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a tips and tricks video with this 2017 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited. We put a 3.5-inch rough country lift kit on it, some 20x10 red dirt road dirt wheels, also known as an RD01, in a negative 24mm offset in a all flat black finish, and some 35x1250 R20 Radar Renegade mud terrain tires. Now this rough country lift kit, the SKU is 69430. What it is it includes springs and shocks, a couple drop brackets, a lower control arm drop bracket, and your track bar drop brackets, along with a new pitman arm. It's not exactly a bracket, it's an entire pitman arm. Our tips and tricks, let's just start from the front. The pitman arm. You will not be able to remove the pitman arm without a pitman arm puller, so make sure you own one and or you go rent one. Otherwise your steering is going to be all messed up. Second tip, we're going to go to the front/rear track bar. The front track bar, you're going to disconnect the track bar, the axle will shift over. Luckily for the front, as long as you place it on the ground and you have the tires and wheels on the ground, you could turn the steering wheel and it will shift your body, shift the track bar, so you can put it back in through the new relocation bracket. On the rear, however, you have no steering, so it'll be a little bit more difficult. You've got a couple different options. You can either use a jack stand and jack up the axle until it gets into the proper location. You can lift it, but you gotta have big arms. And or you could use a heavy duty ratchet strap. That is my personal favorite. You hook it to the frame, you hook it to the axle, you ratchet it until it lines up. You place the bolt in. Our next tip is, with this kit, it has a control arm drop bracket, which I absolutely love. The control arm drop bracket, it helps to bring the control arms back down to the factory ride, the factory geometry. However, you will have to disconnect your upper and lower control arms from the frame, and you might have a little bit of a difficult time installing it. Tip, loosen all of the control arms, loosen the upper, loosen the lower, mounted to the axle. It'll help you manipulate it a little bit. Also, start with one side, do the lower, do the other lower, do the upper, do the other upper, and you'll be fine. They are a little difficult. You probably want somebody to help you push, pull, tug the axle, because you do have to get it lined up. With that being said, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you're wondering what that bumper is called, it is a Stinger bumper. It is a stubby, so it's short, Stinger bumper. A couple other things, you've got your dual A-pillar light bar mounts. They've got 2 pods, an American flag sticker, this snazzy little foot thing to help you get on the roof if you had a roof rack, but there is no roof rack, so yep, you got one of those. You got some door handle inserts and just little things like that. An Angry Bird grill, just some things in case you're looking at it and you say, what is that called? I want to go buy one. So again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.